So Oxygen OS is one of the most beloved Android skin, which is just stock Android-like experience with a lot of features and customizations built into it. Well, here are 5 reasons why Oxygen OS is great at what it does. Unlike some other Android skins, Oxygen OS is completely free of bloatware with no unnecessary add-ons that can impact the performance or are hard to remove. At first glance, it feels the same as stock Android. This helps in performance as well. If you love stock Android and all of the benefits that come with it, you will definitely love Oxygen OS. Not only is Oxygen OS lightweight and free of bloat, it also comes with enhanced accessibility features built right into it. The quick launch function allows you to press and hold the fingerprint sensor to access apps or even quick routines. You can even activate gestures like drawing on the lock screen to launch into applications and activities. The triple finger swipe to take a screenshot is one that is widely used as it is less finicky than pressing a bunch of buttons. There is no denying that Oxygen OS is fast as OnePlus claims it to be. The animations are refined and combined with the power of the device, it is all a very fluid experience. Because of this, everything feels snappy and smooth. Apps load instantly, games run smoothly. You can only feel these optimizations once you use a OnePlus device. Android 10 may have added some enhanced customizations, but Oxygen OS does it well without a need of any third-party application or launcher. The customization section in Settings lets you tweak accent colors, dark theme intensity, font, and even icon packs all under one single window. There is also a setting to alter the status bar and customize it to only show the icons that are useful to you. Now this is an added benefit of Oxygen OS. Although the Android Developer Preview program allows you to try out latest build of Android OS, the Open Beta program offers you the most up-to-date experience of OnePlus's vision for Android. Monthly updates bring about new features and functions. Plus, they are often stable enough to use on your primary device, unlike the early Android developer build. It is definitely worth joining if you have to have the new features first and ahead of everyone else. Well, these are the 5 features why I feel Oxygen OS is one of the best build of Android experience. If you stuck around till the end, I hope that you can subscribe as well. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you very soon.